Welcome to the French Drayman channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I wanted to give you guys the full review on this new trencher. Now, of course, the SK3000 ditch witch is awesome. If you're looking for a full-size skid loader, you might want to consider it. It's not in the mini category anymore, that's for sure, but that's what it takes to run a trencher like this. We could run it on the 1550 as well, but we needed the full-size skid loader attachment because it kept sharing the pins. So just so you guys know. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to tell you where we stand with this trencher. I'm going to be brutally honest. So you see those two guys in the trench right there shoveling? They're normally machine operators. We normally have Francisco in the excavator, and then Valentin, along with Valente, are on ditch witches. Now, Valente will sit in the trench and look for sprinkler lines, things like that. He might clean a little dirt off the plywood that falls off the bucket of the excavator. But look what happens when you go to a trencher. So my two machine operators here, and that's the way I want it. I want to turn all my employees into machine operators. I don't ever want to have to do these jobs on their back. And as you can see, these guys are in the trench cleaning this trench, because this trencher, yes, it does put a lot of the dirt to the side, but there's so much dirt that just falls to the bottom of the trench. So you can just see these two guys just shoveling dirt, shoveling dirt, shoveling dirt. They got to clean the bottom of the trench. Now, not only do you turn your guys from machine operators into just, back-breaking laborers, and honestly, if you're an employer, you don't want that. If you get good men, you want to take care of their health. You want to help take care of their body so that they, hopefully, if they're happy and you run a good business, they're around for decades. That's the idea. They find a home and they're happy working for your company. But these guys are in the trench digging because we can't just put in our French drain on top of all these dirt clods that fall in from this trencher. So in theory, this was supposed to be a great thing, because for the first time, we had a trencher that would actually trench the width that we dig out with our excavator. So we were really excited to buy this trencher, which we did. We purchased it. And then, how do you know? It's new. We had to give it a try. We already knew some of the downfalls that come with trenching, but we never had a trencher that would trench this width. So you can see my guys are just shoveling. I mean, that's all they're doing is shoveling. So this breaks all my rules. You're not supposed to double handle dirt, and we're triple handling dirt. The guys are shoveling the dirt here. Now it's on the plywood. See, it should be in the bucket of the ditch witch and then just taken out to a dump truck or dump trailer, but now it's got to be handled a second time. I mean, how many times are we going to handle this dirt? We're going to wear this dirt out if it was physically possible. All right, so in short, I have a trencher for sale. Call 248-505-3065. All right, everybody, until that next video.